this is your top 3 right here.
Attaboy, Wugga! I love you, Wugga! Let's go, Wugga! I love you, Wugga!
Okay, in no particular order, I'm going to start with number 3. Number 3 gets a Platinum Supporter package. If you're already a supporter, you can give it to somebody else. You can do whatever you want with it. Alright, number 3 is going to go to Thugga. Thugga, you got 3rd place.
Yes, sir.
You get a Platinum Supporter.
Let's go, Wugga!
Good job. It's a beautiful truck. Good job, man.
Yes, sir.
Alright, that means KSG and Heartless are 1 and 2.
But which is which?
Number 1
That's my boy, Wugga.
is not KSG, it's Heartless. Heartless, you won. Number 1, KSG, number 2.
Wugga, how do you feel about
They're
coming
both
third
beautiful
place?
cars. Thank y'all very much for coming. Heartless, you get a champion supporter. KSG, you get a platinum as well. Like I said, if y'all already are supporters, you can give them to somebody else. Or you don't have to do anything with them. It's just given to the server, but give it to somebody that doesn't have one.
I think a big fat burnout here is deserved.
Yeah. I think top 3 should do a burnout. Yeah, I agree.
Get that shit, do it. Top 3 is you spin that shit.
Spin that shit,
Let's go, Thugga.
Let's go.
Yes, sir!
He's cleaning your car.
Good job, y'all. Good
That's
job.
actually pretty badass. I can't lie.
Yes, sir!
Sign my face.
Get us right! Get us right, yes, sir!
Sign my face.
Thank you.
Sign my face.
Get us right!
All right.
Wugga, how do you feel? How do you feel about coming 3rd place?
Like I said, that was the goal.
Great job, y'all.
That was the goal.
Sir, can I have an autograph?
Thanks,
sir.
thanks everybody for coming. We'll do this again in a couple of weeks. We've got a drift competition and a drag competition we're working on for the server. So look forward to that, and we'll get some more car shows going. Glad everybody could show up. Thanks for coming.
W car show.
What, Chaz?
W-
His hair smells
W
nice,
me,
okay?
W me.
Car show.